Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be in my bathroom because today I'm going to be showing you guys how I color my hair at home. I mean, going to the salon and dyeing your hair can be a little bit pricey, so I always do my hair coloring at home. Unless I want to do something different to my hair, then I will go to the salon. But other than that, like to color my roots and stuff, I do it at home. It's inexpensive and very affordable. So I'm going to show you guys all the products that I use for my hair. I hope you guys all enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And yeah, if you guys want to see how I color my hair at home, then keep on watching. Okay love, so let's first start off with the hair dye that I like to use, and it's this one from Revlon. This is the Color Slick beautiful color, and I get the shade, this is the shade medium rich brown, and it looks like this. I love this one. It's very simple, very easy to use. They give you the glove and the two things to mix in, and it's ammonia free, which is awesome. So yeah, I love this to dye my hair at home. One of my favorites. Like, I've been using this for years. Like, I think I've been using it for more than 4 years. I've been using this brand. Now I do switch it up once in a while to try out different brands, but I always go back to this one, and I find this one at Walmart for $3. So it's not that bad and it's inexpensive, so I definitely recommend this one. And then I also wanted to show you guys the shampoo and the deep conditioner that I love to use when I dye my hair, because when you dye your hair will dry up from all the chemicals from in here, so you always need to use a deep conditioner. So at first I use this shampoo from Suave. This is their keratin infusion shampoo, and this one, it looks like this. I also find this one at Walmart, and this helps for frizzy, untamable hair, and it's smoothing for the hair because it has like that keratin infusion in it. So I definitely love this one to shampoo my hair. And then I also love these two deep conditioners. This one is the Keratin Deep Smoothing Mask, and this has marulin oil, instant hydrates for smooth, silky, manageable hair. Now I love to use this one after I dye my hair because it just leaves my hair so soft. Like, it's just like, it just glides through your hands. Like, that's how smooth it leaves it, and I love it. And this is only $1.97, so like $2 for this, and you could use it like up to 2 times. If you just need like half of it, you could use like half, and then the other half the following time that you go and wash your hair again. So I definitely love this one. And then I also have this one. They're both from Tres'eme. This is the Repair and Protect Instant Recovery Mask with biotin. This also repairs like damaged hair and stuff like that. And this one is also $2. I mean, you cannot go wrong for $2. It's an awesome product. So let's get started with the hair dyeing. I'm gonna put a towel on, and then I'm gonna start dividing my hair, and I'm gonna show you guys how I dye my hair. So let's get started. Okay, love, so I am back. I finished washing my hair and you guys can see, like, look how dark and rich it is. Like, I love when you have like fresh dyed hair because it just makes your hair look so vibrant right after you style it and all that stuff. But the next thing I like to do is I like to apply a little bit of oil at my ends because I did just finish dyeing my hair, so I want to give that hydration back to my hair. So I just put like a little dot like that, just grab that, and then I just apply it to my ends like that. And I just brush it out with this brush. This is the Wet and Dry by Carla, and I got this one at Marshall's. It's so inexpensive. I think it was like $3 for this brush, and it's such a good brush. So basically I'm just gonna brush out my hair, and then I let it air dry, and then I style it the next day. So that's basically what I do because I like to let it air dry. Like, the less heat I put to my hair, the best it comes out to be, so my ends don't dry up as much. So I don't like to put too much heat to it. So yeah, so I brush it out and I just let it air dry. So that is the finished completed look. My hair looks so much darker and so much vibrant. So thank you guys all for watching. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, loves.